Our data flow for TimeBase relies on connectors, which obtain information from some external data sources, process it into our universal format, and write these messages into TimeBase. Crypto connectors are just one of the many types of connectors we have written over the years. TimeBase itself is the time series database and messaging middleware. The TimeBase admin image spins up a web layer and provides web APIs for accessing the data in TimeBase. The crypto connectors image launches our set of crypto connectors, which we will talk about shortly. Grafana can be used for some additional analytics and visualizations. Let's take a look at the configuration file for our crypto connectors. Our first connector is the Coinbase one, and it will write into a stream named Coinbase. We specify a maximum of 20 levels, the WebSocket URL for the feed, which messages we want to publish, and a list of instruments. Once we have Docker and the Windows subsystem for Linux installed, we will prepare to launch TimeBase Community Edition. First, we clone 3 repositories: TimeBase Crypto Connectors, the Grafana plugin, and the TimeBase tutorial with Jupyter, into our working directory. Next, we run the docker compose up command in the directory containing the docker compose.yaml file. This is TimeBase Crypto Connectors/docs. The first time we run this, it might take a few minutes to pull all required Docker images. Now that we've pulled all the images, we can run the same docker compose up command to start all the components. In our command prompt, we see 4 containers that have been created and all of the output logs that are generated by them. After a few seconds, we see that our TimeBase admin container is telling us that the tool has connected, and this means we can now connect the web admin tool from our browser. To do this, we copy the port from our Docker Compose file and navigate to localhost 8099 in our browser. This brings us to the TimeBase administrator, where it may prompt us for credentials. The defaults are admin. From here, we can select any of the available streams to see data coming in real time. Let's start with Coinbase. As you can see, the data comes in the form of L2 data from the exchange, which we process and aggregate in several different ways. Let's take another look at how we can visualize this data using our order book functionality. We'll select the same Coinbase stream as before, and also add Kraken into the mix. As you can see, we can synthesize the data from several different venues and show you the real-time view of crypto prices throughout the world.